Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a C++ VS Code extension. With the help of this extension you will be able to compile, run and debug single or multiple C++ files with ease. This is the extension. Go to the extensions tab and just search for this extension. It's got almost 7 billion installs. So simply click the install button, and after you install this extension just go to your CPP file right here. So this is a very simple program right here which adds two numbers. So what we need to do right here, we simply open the command palette and simply type here compile. We simply type here C++. So I think it will add this option right here. So yeah, so if you go to the sidebar section, just say run or debug and it will add this option right here. C++ runner, debug file or run file. So we have two options right here. Either we can run the entire file. So this will actually compile this program, and it created this file here. This is your exe file. So here you can enter two numbers, let's suppose. So in this easy way, it compiles your C++ program CPP file to an exe file like this, and also we can even debug the program as well. You select debug file. So now it will basically enter into debug mode. So here you can actually watch debug in real time. As you can see, you just need to add a breakpoint right here. Just click add a breakpoint. So now this program is, if you click on the run button, so basically it will show you the values of all the variables at this moment of time in the program. So the program will pause right here, and sidebar section you will see the value of A, which is just B0. So like this. So now you go to the next step. You say continue. So now the program will continue right here. We add. So in this easy way, guys, you can see you can debug your C++ programs and run this, compile this with this extension. It's very useful extension. Definitely check out this. This is the extension C++ runner, and